Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I'm going to show to you how to create a map animation using Canva application. So first open your Canva and then create a video project, and now on this blank clip you need to insert maps of world. So just type on the element button world map, this one, click it and search it. Now I think I'm going to use this graphic maps, this one, this black color. Then increase the size of it just like this, and now positioning it onto the perfect spot as you want, like this. And then go to the elements again and insert the map that you want to create. So for me, I'm going to use Africa map. Search it and click this graphic one. Then change the color onto the color that you want. For me, I'm going to change it onto a blue color, this color. Then positioning it onto the exact same location as the map, just like that. And now you need to insert a text. For me, I'm just going to type Africa, like this, and then change the font. I'm using this classy Vox regular, sorry. Then go back and positioning the font inside the maps. Like this. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to click the element of the maps that you insert before and then add an animation. So for the animation, you can use any animation that you want, but for me, I'm going to use this, where is it? This pop animation, and adjust the size. Sorry, yeah, I would like to decrease the size like this. Then go back, and on the text, you do the same, adding an animation onto it. So I think I will use this type. It's not this one. And then decrease the speed of the animation, and then click the element, click these three dots if you're using a font, and then click this show element timing. And same as the previous one, you need to click it, the text, and show the element timing like this. And now the next part, you need to click this world map and then insert an animation too onto it. For me, I'm just going to use this rise animation, just like that. And now, as you can see, it's completely not have a matching move. So I'm going to create a match move onto it by sliding the duration from the second element, just like that. Okay, and then go to this side and positioning the duration from it, just like that. And now the next part, you can duplicate this page and then go to the second page like this. And now you need to remove all of this animation from the element. Remove it like this one, and this world map. Remove it all like this. And now after that, increase the duration from each element like this, and increase the size of the element just like this. And for the text, increase it too like this, and click this image of a world map, go to effect and add a blur effect onto it. Click blur and increase the intensity of the blur. I think I'm going to increase it to 50 like this. And now when you're done, adjust every element on the second page, you need to click this plus button and add a transition. The transition that we will use is a match and move transition. Swipe left and use this match and move, and now adjust the speed of the transition, just like that. And when you're done, we can see the preview and it will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this animation on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.